What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Chanel unboxing. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. So this is a bag that is from the 2024 cruise collection. So my SA, her name is Chelsea, she texted me a picture of this bag, and once I saw it, I fell in love because I love purple. So I initially went in just for this bag, but when I was there, I found some jewelry that I liked. So let's unbox this. I'm gonna take the camellia off. Is like a little, I think this is felt, I'm not sure, but like all of the Chanel costume jewelry comes like this. Oh my god, these are prettier than I remember. I forgot they were like this. How gorgeous are these? I love how it spells out Chanel and you have the little dangling CCs. That is super cute. Here is the card just in case you guys are interested. So I can't wait to wear these because I do have an outfit I am excited to wear with gold. But now this is what I'm most excited about. So let's unbox this. You open the box, this is how it comes. So, oh my god, this isn't in a dust bag. You put this here. So here is the dust bag that it did not come in. It just says Chanel. And if you know me, then you know how much I fell in love with this bag when I saw it. I loved it even more in person. So here it is. Isn't this so pretty? Get these CCs that are in purple, like a purpley pink color. And my camera's not doing it the best, but it is kind of a gradient from lighter to darker purple. And I really like that it wasn't gold or silver hardware. I like that it was the purple hardware. I thought that was super cute. I really like this back pocket because it's kind of like the Mona Lisa of a classic flap, but it does take up the whole bag. Of this chain, I like the gradient effect of it. And then I also like how you do get the leather strap because sometimes these chains do pull your hair. This bag can be worn as a shoulder bag. It could be worn crossbody, which that's what I really liked. And then on the inside, I don't know if you guys can tell this, but there is a slip pocket for a card. And then there's also a zipper pocket. That's really nice because if you don't want to take up most of the purse with a like card holder or a wallet. Clasp says Chanel Paris. The bag closes like this, but then you can latch it like that. Here is the tag if you guys are interested in this bag. Crossbody this and stand up. It's me in a good spot. It is so adorable. I'm very happy and very thankful that I was able to get this bag. I just love it so much. I think this is the perfect color. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me. And I will see you in the next one.